Welcome back, Crammers, to question 26. In the diagram, ABC is a right angle triangle and DEF is a semicircular arc. Semicircles are half of a circle. In the triangle ABC, BC is given to us as 24 centimeters, angle ABC is 90 degrees, angle BCA is 30 degrees. The points D and F lie on AC so that DF is the diameter, they're talking about this, of the semicircular arc DEF. So that means this is the circumference. The radius of the semicircular arc is 3 centimeters. So the radius is just 3. Okay. Work out the length A, F, E, D, C. Give your answer correct to significant figures. Okay, so how do we figure this out? Well, firstly, I can see that we have a right angle triangle here. And if we have a right angle, we can actually use SOHCAHTOA to find the length of the total hypotenuse. Then we can subtract the diameter and then add the total circumference of the semicircle. So let's do that. Now we can see here that we are given 30 degrees as our angle. We are not given the opposite, so anything with opposite goes away. And we're left with ka. So we write here cos, the degrees is 30, is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, so 24 over hypotenuse. We don't know what hypotenuse is yet, so we can simply multiply both sides by h and then divide both sides by cos 30. Divide by cos 30. So this cancels out, and that simply means h is equal to 24 over cos 30. We can find this out using our calculator. We get 24 divided by cos 30, which is 16 root 3. So hypotenuse is 16 root 3, but we don't want the whole hypotenuse. We simply want AF and DC. So we can actually remove the diameter. The diameter is twice the radius, and since the radius is 3, that means the diameter is 2 times 3, which is 6. So that means we have 16 root 3, okay, minus 6 gives us the length AF. It gives us the length AF and DC. But now we need the circumference of this semicircular arc. So how do we find circumference? The formula is 2 pi r. Now notice how it's a semicircular arc. That means half of it. So we simply multiply by 1/2. And notice how the 2's cancel out. So all we have is pi r. So we simply add this with pi r, and r happens to be 3. And this will actually give us our final answer when we put this into the calculator. So we have bracket 16 root 3 minus 6, close the bracket, plus 3 into pi. That gives us 31.13. So we can write here 31.13 to two significant figures. So we see here that it's 1 and we round down. So that means our final answer, the length of AFEDC, is 31 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.